Hello, my name is Ben, and on this YouTube channel I document my own print-on-demand journey. Today I would like to show you how a design looks like on different print-on-demand platforms after it has been uploaded with an automated upload tool. The automated upload tool I use is Flying Upload, and it helps me to create designs much more efficiently because I don't need to spend the time uploading. So while the tool is uploading my designs, I can spend time to create new designs. So it frees a lot of time up. And I had a comment under one of my videos of someone who'd like to see how these designs actually look on the platforms, because I think there is some concern that, well, the tool actually does a lot of the, the resizing and putting the design in the right space on the website, to make sure it looks good. So on many platforms that I upload to, the tool does all the work. So I just want to show you a few things that you need to take care of when you use Flying Upload, just in order to make sure that it really looks good. So the first thing is I've just created this design just for the purpose of this video. What I normally do, you always want to make sure, ideally, that you always use the same size of design. I think in the end, what size it is doesn't really matter. Of course, if you upload on Amazon Merch, it should be 4,500 by 5,400, because Amazon Merch is pretty much the only platform that requires, I think, a specific size. So it makes sense if you design according to their requirements, and then you can just upload this design on various other platforms as well. So I, for example, use Canva. I also use Placeit and Vexels, but if I do it in Canva, just make sure, or when you do it, just make sure it's centered like this. And when you select everything here, Canva gives you a good idea of when it's centered. As you can see here, this pink cross just shows you when the design is centered. This makes sure that when you use the upload tool, that also this design is always placed exactly at in the same space of the the actual product, which is then shown on the website. What you always also want to make sure is that this is fine. There's a bit of space between the actual design and the the borders around it. You can probably go a little bit bigger, but I wouldn't go, that far, because it really, I would always, just to be on the safe side, always leave a bit of space between the actual text or the design and the actual border around it, because then there might be the risk that it's outside of the print area, and then it doesn't look good and you won't get any sales. So I'm going to download this now, and then I'm going to upload it to various platforms. Okay, so as you can see, I have now put this design into the Flying Upload tool, and these are all the platforms which are available. I cannot upload to all of them, but to most of them. So if I go to upload, the only reason why I can't upload, I won't upload to Merch because I've already maxed out the available designs that I've got on Merch. And the same with Teespring. And I'm not registered on Displays because they do not accept any more applicants at the moment. And I can do Printful, and I can do the other ones, I believe. So I have also maxed out my daily uploads on Spreadshirt already, so I won't do Spreadshirt, but I can do all the other ones. So I'm going to start this now. So I start with Redbubble. I've done that already. I'll start TeePublic. I'll start Society6. I'll start Zazzle. I'll start Printful. I'll start Threadless, Shirty, and Fine Art America. Now, as you can see, the uploads are starting now. The tool does all the work. So as you can see, it's just put this design onto Redbubble. So it's currently just doing this fully automatically. And as you can see, it looks quite good. It's quite centered. I mean, in my personal opinion, there is nothing I would change here. I think it's got a good size. And it's going up. It's going up automatically because it's putting this text in. Which I put into the tool, so it's typing this automatically. So I can't scroll down while it's doing that. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to stop the upload, which you can then I will just pause it, and then I can I can show you how it looks. So this is on, this is how it will look in Etsy. On Etsy, this is Printful, which is doing this as well. I'm just trying to find the Redbubble one, which is this one. So as you can see, I think this is a good size. I think this is a good size. Nothing cut off. I think this is a good size. On these, it looks quite well as well. The sticker looks really good as a sticker, to be honest. Looks good on the phone. I mean, it could be a bit higher, but I think that's just how I set up the template. But actually, I think it's fine. The pillows look really good. But this is my personal opinion. I mean, you might have a different opinion. And then if you have, just let me know. See, look at this. Who wouldn't like a shower curtain like that? That's good. The mugs. Travel mug. And by the way, if you see anything that you would do differently, please let me know, because I'm still learning as well. I'm not an expert here. I think the clock the design could be a bit larger, but then again, I could change this in the template, and so I make sure that it's correct the next time. But to be honest, I think it doesn't look bad still. The clocks aren't high runners anyway, so I'm not too worried about that. And even the water bottle looks okay. Even the pin button here and even the mask, I think it's all good. And on the tote bag it could be a bit larger, but even that one I think it's not a high runner. Apron looks good. And I've pretty much disabled these. I still have the leggings enabled because I think some people might like these colors, but I think I don't have these because I think it takes a bit of manual work to get these properly adjusted. I haven't actually tried it. I think it might even work, even with the uploader, but I haven't tried it. So I think, this shows that the uploader, I think, it all depends on your template. If your template is good, and I don't have the hardcover enabled anyway, but besides that, I've got all the products enabled, and I think it looks good. It looks, centered. I think it's got a good size. Let me know if you would do anything differently here, but I think for Redbubble, this works pretty well. I'm now going to do, so Printful has already uploaded, TeePublic as well, and we go into these, and all the platforms seem to have uploaded now, so we're going to go into these platforms in a minute and have a look, but I'm going to finish this upload process on Redbubble now. So Zazzle always takes a long time. We'll see if we can have a look there as well, but we'll see. We'll wait until Redbubble is finished, and then I'm going to go into the different platforms and I'll show you the design. Okay, so we're now in TeePublic. I haven't changed anything manually. I haven't resized anything. This is the t-shirt. I think it looks really good on the t-shirt. You see the hoodie here, the sticker, the kids shirt, the mug. I think it all looks really good. There's nothing you need to change here. I think the stickers looks even better than on Redbubble. Okay, let's have a look at the next platform then. Okay, so we're on Threadless now. As you can see here, this is the t-shirt, and I think again it looks really good on the t-shirt. Gonna select a different product. Let's have a look at the long sleeve pullover hoodie. And again, the tool did it all manually. Well, automatically. I didn't resize anything. Yeah, I think there's nothing to complain about. Let's have a look at the women's. Yeah, perfect. And again, if you think something should be changed, let me know. But I think, it looks so good. Even the toddler t-shirt, I guess, will look good. Yeah. And bear in mind, I think on the toddler shirts, the design is always a bit smaller. On any platform anyway, you can't make it larger. Let's have a look at the accessories. Well, this is face mask. Have a look at the sticker. Looks good. Let's have a look at the, even skateboard. I haven't even seen this. Okay. Let's have a look at the phone case, because we saw that on Redbubble. Yeah, perfect. And let's have maybe a last look. What shall we have a look at? Zip pouch. Perfect. Maybe just one more time under home. What's that? Just fine art print. All good. What else? Bath mats. Why not? Perfect. Nothing to complain about. Really perfect. Okay, let's have a look at the next platform. Okay, we've now had a look at Redbubble, TeePublic, and Threadless. And the Society 6 upload actually takes quite a long time. But as you can see here, it's resizing it at the moment. So you can see already here, while it's doing the upload, how it's going to look like. And again, I think the tool does a really good job to resize these products. I mean, this is now, I don't know what it is. I think it's an art print or something. I mean, as you can already see, it takes a while. So first of all, I think it starts quite small, and then it will resize it accordingly. See, I think that's really good. So I think there's nothing to worry about. It is not out of center. And here you can see the different products. I think it's definitely doing its job. And that's why I'm not worried about the products not being sort of in the center. And yeah, so again, I'm quite happy with this tool. Again, it's still doing the upload on Zazzle still and on Society 6 because they take quite a long time. But generally, I'm really happy with this tool. I can only recommend it. Yeah, again, I can just recommend this tool. I think it's doing a really good job. If you're interested in this tool, just follow the link in the description. I hope you liked the video. If so, then please click on the like button. And if you want to learn more about my own print-on-demand journey, then please subscribe to the channel. I try to post a video every day because I really enjoy it and I want to help you guys to succeed, and it just keeps me motivated as well. So yeah, please smash the like button and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.